There's one really big part of your business that you might be overlooking. A lot of people know how to get traffic. You go to the traffic store, you pay Facebook or Meta or YouTube or whoever, and you get more traffic. Maybe you're really good at the sales part and you have a good conversion mechanism. Maybe you have an offer that really works. But I find a lot of people really mess up the email part. So my name's Cody Birch, and on this YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you how to win with email marketing. And I'm going to solve the three biggest problems you probably have with your email marketing. Number one is, how do I grow the list? How do I get more people on my list so that every time I communicate with them, it goes to a few more people than the last time I communicated with them? Now, for me, that means daily. You might choose a different frequency. So that's the first problem that this channel is going to solve. And the second thing we're going to solve is, how do I keep people engaged in between launches or in between promotions? How do I keep them opening and clicking my emails? And I have a favorite way of doing that, and that's with stories. So I'll show you how to keep your audience engaged with stories so they keep opening and keep clicking so that they're ready for the third part, which is, how do I sell with campaigns? Let's be honest, you don't probably want people just to join your email list and then never do anything. We probably want to turn more of our subscribers into buyers, and that's what we'll do on this channel here as well. So if you want to send better email, keep your list more engaged, and sell more of your subscribers and turn them into buyers, then you're going to love the content I have ready for you.